Hello, welcome to today's channel reading. Today I felt called to uh, channel some of the messages that I started making in the beginning of the series, and today I want to pull out some of the romantic messages from the divine masculine. So let's channelize the romance energy from the masculine higher self. So just close your eyes and tune into your heart and connect with your divine masculine. So this is specifically for the divine feminines. Okay. So the first message that has come is about. I will just read it. It is so beautiful. I want to hold your hand, laugh at your jokes, walk by your side, snuggle on the couch, look into your eyes, talk about whatever, and kiss your lips every single day. This is so beautiful, right? So, this is how actually always the divine masculine wants to do, always. So if you are feeling like giving up, or if you feel like this is not for you, I will invite you to look within your heart. The truth is this: your divine masculine is telling you that you deserve love every single day. Like, you just see, like, maybe whatever is happening on your journey currently, but what you truly desire is your life, every moment should be full of love, right? That's what is your true desire. So even if you are not connecting with this desire, I invite you to go there and clean that space, have that desire. So never give up on your twin flame, because your twin flame must be desiring you, and he may not be clear with the things that is happening with you. He will not understand that clearly. And when you are holding on to the doubt or resentment, he gets that vibration. So it's always good that you come back and connect with the romantic energy with your twin flame divine masculine. That will make your harmonious union on a fast track. That is the beauty of attracting and romancing with your masculine energy. I am called to read the second message. It is about, you never fail to amaze me. Every day there is something new that makes me love you even more than the day before. Yes, yes, divine feminine. You are amazing. You are really amazing, because divine feminine energy is all about that emotion full of life, full of joy, full of pleasure, and that's exactly what a divine masculine seek to have in the life, right? So if anywhere you are blocked to this energy, I just invite you to just take support and clear it, and get into the energy of being joyful, being in all your emotions. Those are true, those feelings are true, and your twin flame knows how to handle it. And your twin flame actually adores them, and your twin flame actually desires them. They want to they want that in their feminine. So, and every day, feminine energy, when you are clear and you are flowing, every day you surprise your man with something precious that actually motivates, and that make the man feel supported, that make the man feel grounded, because when you are happy, they feel very stable and grounded, and they can make choices to move forward in the life, and make your beautiful life come into 3D manifestation. Okay, so it is very nice that along with your spiritual ascension, you also connect with this romance energy with your twin flame, because twin flame spiritual path includes all the 3D experience of romance, all the experience of sexual life, the intimacy, on a deeper connection, and on a authenticity, with all that authenticity, with full integrity, it is going to happen. It's not a superficial relationship. Okay, so there is everything packaged within your twin flame for you. Okay, I'm guided to read the next message. It is about, if you need me, call me. I don't care if I am sleeping, having my own problems, angry with you. I'll be there for you no matter what. Yes. Your masculine knows how to hold space for you. Your masculine knows how to be present with you in whatever situation you are. So don't hold back yourself by thinking that you may be creating any problem in his life, or like you are creating anything wrong in his life. That comes from your place of your block of feeling rejected, right? And that's what you may be manifesting. But the truth is, your masculine very well knows how to hold space for you in whatever situation you are. And actually, divine masculine likes to resolve your problem. They will be very happy to support you, because they receive that way. When you receive any help, you receive anything from them, and you feel good, that at that moment they feel good. That's how the giving receiving happens between a divine masculine and a divine feminine relationship. So always be open to receive from your masculine, and in that case, know that when you are receiving from your masculine is receiving love, and they desire that very deeply. They feel very satisfied being received by you completely. That is the beauty of the twin flame relationship. Okay, so with all this quote, I feel guided to close the quotes, and I am just feeling like pulling a card from the love and light deck. Okay, so just let's take some divine guidance also on the path. So beautiful. I'll read it. The card says, give me a moment. The card says, celebrate the beautiful gift of life. Wow. Let the heavens be glad and the earth rejoice. Let the sea and everything in it shout his praise. Yeah. This is actually a very beautiful message, that when you receive your man, you actually awaken the masculinity in them. You awaken that divine masculine energy in them, and they recognize their presence, they recognize their light, why they are here, right? Because the world is desiring to see him in his divinity, right? There is a gift There is a light that God wants to flow through him to the world. So everybody is just waiting for him to get awakened and share his light. And by you receiving him and opening up yourself and healing your blocks, you also support the healing of masculine, and you are here to celebrate the beautiful gift of life. Yes, it is beautiful. Thank you.